Hello, I'm Charles Cohen, President of Fotofab. We've been delivering the highest quality etched metal components since 1967. In these few minutes, we'd like to show you what we do and what makes us different. The Fotofab chemical etching process is an advanced micro-precision controlled process used to make high-precision metal parts. Our process is ideal for mission-critical components that must be made to spec and work right the first time and every time. From satellite, EMI, RF shields, to medical device components, to photo-optic aperture parts, our products perform. We are a trusted supplier to top companies in aerospace, military, medical, electronics, industrial, and more. The Fotofab process starts with ideation, concept, and design. Whether you have a detailed blueprint, a simple sketch, or anything in between. Our engineering and design team will work one-on-one with you to quickly create a finished photo tool for your metal component. Even same-day design and turnaround is available for those go-to critical market components. Using the latest CAD software and technology, the precise photo tool file is created in most cases within hours, exactly to your specification. Using this file, a metal sheet is prepared with your design by coating it with a photoresist polymer that is UV light sensitive and resistant to acids. We work with over 50 different metal alloys, including exotic metals that some fabrication shops shy away from, such as titanium, aluminum, and alloy. Once exposed to UV lamps, your precise design image shows up on the metal sheet's photoresist layer. During a highly controlled developing process, a solution is applied to the sheet which washes away the unexposed coating. This essentially leaves a mask in the shape of your part. Only the metal material on the sheet that is to be etched away is left uncoated after this step. Using controlled chemicals, the uncoated areas are then chemically etched away. A proprietary solution is applied, dissolving the polymer coating, effectively creating your component with the ultimate in precision. Finally, our process ends with a highly thorough inspection process, using the latest in photographic measurement optics, software, and computer technology. If value-added finishing services are needed, such as forming, assembly, soldering, or other options, such as cleaning and testing, our dedicated finishing team is ready to perform. So when you add it all up, this process has three distinct advantages. You can go from rough idea to a precise prototype in days, not weeks. Imagine what that does to your speed to market performance. The precision and tight tolerances are unmatched, making it ideal for high reliability applications, products, and equipment with zero room for failure. Increased complexity doesn't add to cost, because even the finest features are just lines on film. And once a photo tool is created, it can be used over and over again, so production costs are typically much lower than other processes that require manual retooling. Fotofab has a full array of stamping services as well. We use progressive die stamping technology, which allows us to produce a wide range in large quantities, cost effectively and reliably. Now you know what we do. But we know you have many choices in metal component production. So what makes Fotofab different? First, our expert team of sales engineers are dedicated to working with you one-on-one to create the perfect design. Our people will even work with you to take your idea, sketched on a paper napkin, to photo tool in no time. We're the experts in transforming rough ideas into precision metal components. Fotofab practically invented and perfected the chemical etching process. We're known in the industry as the leader in specialty with capabilities big enough for the largest projects. Yet we have the right size team to ensure personal, customized service. Fotofab represents the sweet spot of chemical etching, with the ideal blend of experience and expertise. Finally, if you have a tight go-to market deadline or an urgent timeline, there's no better partner than Fotofab. Typically, quote times from other providers can vary from 5 to 6 days. Fotofab is committed to delivering a detailed estimate within 24 to 48 hours. Similarly, other providers' production lead times average about 2 weeks. On average, Fotofab delivers within 4 to 5 days, sometimes faster. Unmatched design expertise, a history of leading the industry in chemical etching, and the fastest turnarounds in the business. That's what makes Fotofab different. Ready to get started? Visit us at fotofab.com and download our design guide to photochemical machining. Our design guide provides you with the answers to many of your design questions and will help you get started with your projects. You can also request a quote or contact sales engineering right away. We look forward to partnering with you.